last video I explained how you can just use a class as well as how you can just uh, what is a init constructor as well as how you what a self here and how init constructor automatically call inside the reference of the object. So now I'm going to just start how you can just change this two variables. This is called the attributes of the method attributes, how you can just change it. So this is a one way you can just change it. So object name with the name reference as well as currently name I have provided with Nikhil, and now you assign Prince. So here the output is this. And as well as if you want to add any new things like new suppose name address, I want to just add it inside this attribute. So I am just making this address. I am clear the output, and now you will see the address added inside this init constructor. Address is Delhi. So this is a way you can just do it. Otherwise, there is some functions you can just use it. So let me just show you. So first, the first function is a get method. So get method. So how you can get attributes, how you with the get attributes you can just get the value from this. So inside the get attributes you can define the object name. So our object name is a object, and so I want to output with age. You need to just define the variable means attribute. So you'll get a attributes name here. So when I'm print it and run this, you'll you will see my class object has no attribute, it means age. So currently there is no age name, it's like a age. So I defined the capital, you can just define a small and you will get here. Let me just clear all things and run it again. Because inside the self memory we created the variable name age, that's why it was showing you need to write a small age because I defined here the small age, right? So that's why getter method will work. So with the normal how you can just get the same thing, so you need to define object with age, and earlier I have just shown you print as well as when I'll print it, so you'll get the same thing. So with this method, with this functions, you can just get the same achieve things, and with this also you can just get it. So let me just clear this. So this is the first functions get attributes. So attributes name attributes output you will get it. So second function is a set attributes name. So set means you can just change the value. So set utter. So set utter you can just make. So set utter is spelling is wrong. So here is a set utter. So I setted the object of inside the object age is currently set with 31, but I want to just change it 32. And when I'm just print obj dot age, you'll see it will see 32. It's changed 32, 31 to 32 it came. So when you'll check with dict with the dict functions, here you will see the value has changed. The age value is 32. So now new things has added. So this is a way you can just make it, as well as we have a delete attributes. So how you can just use it. So here you need to just use delete attributes, and what in object I want to delete a age, and now when I am accessing the age, it will show me error because I have deleted it. So let me just show you. Okay, now let me just show you. Yeah, my class object no age, because delete attributes function has deleted this age value 31 from this method, init method. So that's why we are unable to use it. So this is a way, and when you will just check here, that you will see my class object has no attributes age. So age we have deleted it. Other other last function you can just use it as has attributes. Has attributes will check this attribute has or not. So we need to give reference object with attributes age we have or not. So when you will just print it, right, we have a age variable here. So it will give the output value true. Yeah, age is have. Age variable we created. So it has. Suppose ag variable we did not created. Ag attribute we did not created inside this method. So it will give an error. So when I'll just see, it will give the false. So this is a way you can just check it. This is a for method. Please write down. First of all, set attribute, then get attribute, then has attribute, that delete attribute. So this is a for method, for attributes function. You can just use this to change this method, init method, to use change the attributes inside the init methods. Means you can just change value, delete value, create new value as that value has present inside or not. You can just make it. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you so much.